Hi, Nutrition 230. Just a real quick announcement this week. Your case studies, if you haven't done so already, are going to be due tomorrow evening. That's Tuesday at midnight. So make sure you get those in as you can. They look great so far, and I'm going to be compiling them and putting them into a format where everyone can see each other so we can, continue on with this project. Also, just keep up with your Wiley Plus work this week. Not too much new and different, but I will be posting your midterm exam later this week, so just stay tuned for a special video on Friday going through, how to complete your exam and some tips and tricks. All right, have a great day, everyone, and good luck with everything. And also on Thursday, I had sent out an email, and we are having our program review on Thursday, and one of the reviewers happens to be Claire Norton, who is the UMass undergraduate program director. And you've been invited to sit and have lunch with her and the other reviewer on Thursday, free lunch down at Bartley Center at noon. So anyone who wants to come, I know 2 of you have responded already, please just let me know so we know how much food to order. And if you don't respond and just show up, that's fine too. Have a great day, everyone. Really look forward to maybe seeing you later this week and reading through all the rest of your case studies. Bye.